Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to another Discovery Time. I'm Jessie, one of the children's librarians.
And I'm Ruby, one of the customer service librarians, and today we are going to be teaching you how to make rainbow rain.
So for our experiment today, you're going to need clear cups so that you can see the rain, some food colouring, some water, some shaving foam, not shaving gel, so that it foams up on the top like a cloud, some paper towels because it gets a little bit messy. I grabbed a teaspoon to help me get the food colouring where I wanted it on my cloud. If you don't want to have food colouring all over your hands like I did, then you might want some gloves close by. If you have yellow, blue and red food colouring, you can mix those three colours to make all the other ones. I just had some green lying around, so I grabbed some green as well. So to start our craft off, we're going to take our water and we're going to fill up our cup to about 2/3. And then to make the cloud on top, we're going to add our shaving cream onto the top. Just a big white fuzzy cloud.
Alright, and next we're going to add some of our food colouring. So I'm going to do some blue, and then I might do some green as well. See what that makes.
And then the food colouring is going to travel through the shaving foam, down into the water and start looking like it's raining. So now we're going to experiment with doing some different colour combinations and some different things to see if we can get some different rain coming into our cup. Our Discovery Time craft today. If you make it at home, make sure you pop it in the comments below so we can see what you made. Thanks again for watching and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Bye!